our entire team in New York and China,
we want to wish you great success in 2020 and a Happy New Year. Chinese sellers' problems arriving right here on U.S. shore. Amazon sellers, I want to wish you a Happy New Year. Today is the first breaking news session of 2020. 3 huge stories for you, ending with intellectual property right issues that you need to know about, so please stay with me to the end. And of course, in January, returns are a huge issue. First breaking news story. So I need sellers all over the world. You need to make sure you're not jumping into a product that is restricted, and be careful. Amazon is right on this at the beginning of the year. We haven't seen it for a few weeks, but January 2020 restricted product suspensions are absolutely on Amazon's front burner. Second breaking news story. Sellers have been getting suspended for the last couple of days for their efforts to remove negative feedback. If you're using a third-party vendor, you are responsible for whatever that company does to try and get feedback removed. Make sure either you're doing it yourself or you know exactly what that vendor is doing for you, because Amazon is watching feedback removal like a hawk. Third breaking news story. If you have developed your private label brand, you are a rights owner. Most likely you have brand registry, and if you're doing it now over the last month or so, you've probably used Amazon's IP Accelerator program. You need to be very, very careful, because rights owners have been getting suspended at an alarming rate for their removal of hijackers. If you are trying to take other sellers off your listing, you have to make sure you have a solid basis. Your products are outside the first sale doctrine, meaning the consumer is not receiving the same thing, or the other seller is hijacking your trademark or using your copyright or violating your patent. So if you're a rights owner, if you have a private label brand, you need to be careful how you enforce your rights, because Amazon is striking back against baseless complaints. If you need help protecting your private label brand, there is nobody better on earth at protecting Amazon sellers' private label brands than my law firm. Give us a call for a free consultation. We protect brands the right way. We're not Avories. We don't use a buckshot approach. We can help you protect every single sale and make sure that your private label product is outside the first sale doctrine. Thank you for joining me for the first Amazon Sellers Breaking News for 2020. Join me again tomorrow morning, where we get to share the knowledge that we have from helping thousands of sellers every single year, saving tens of thousands of listings and tens of thousands of jobs every single year. And I can't wait to support sellers throughout 2020.